Okay, so good morning, everyone. Let's take a look at where we are. I'm going to just start with, I'm going to do it the other way around with the ES today, and start with the lower time frame charts. So off the low from last week, 5 up to there. It's not the tidiest 5 up I've ever seen, but it's there. ABC for a 2 back. 1, hit the 618. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the 3 of 3. This morning in pre-market, we've held the 123.6 and we're pushing up. We need to see this push up to 27.51 area in the ES. The thing fibs out ever so slightly differently in the S&P 500 cash. So if we don't quite conform to the exact fibs in the ES, but providing we do in the cash market, which I'll go through later after the open, but it's in last night's video for those of you that are interested, then I'll defer to cash. But we then need another 4, 5, okay? That would give us 5 waves up off the low, all right? In any event, I would expect the pullback from there to hit a fib and move up again, okay? Providing we get this full 5 up. That's the first qualifying criteria. It's then a question of, is this going to be, is it going to extend and give us all of the C wave of the bigger 3? Or are we going to get the 1, 2, and then up, and the count that I gave you in the S&P 500? Or do we get an A, B, and the next 5 wave move up is a C? So we get back-to-back 5 wave moves up for a high B wave, and then we come down to a new low below the February low. And we won't know that for some time. So one step at a time. This morning, what I'm looking for is this to hold support and continue on up to at least 27.74, 76 ES, and probably higher in a series of 5, 4, 5. And I'm looking for exactly the same in the NASDAQ and the Dow Jones, okay? And then just taking that out to the daily chart, excuse me. So it's a case of, do we get a 1, 2, then a 3, 4, 5 for this C of 3? Or do we get an A, B, C into this zone here and then come down like that? So on the bigger picture, those are the things I'm looking for in the ES and other markets. And at the moment, you know, you could have taken a long this morning down here, but we didn't quite get to the 123.6 pre-market. Late on, I didn't take it personally. So let's see what we get after the open. And again, just pick our setups carefully.